Hello, welcome to Trees, Crafts and More. My name's Teresa. In my last garden video I showed I had just gotten done rototilling, and I am now in the stage of planting my small plants and my seeds. And now all my plants and my seeds have been planted. We have growth. We have my kaleidoscope carrots coming up in my lemon tree. And you remember how it looked in the beginning with all the weeds and everything. This is a tour of it now as it's growing. My tomato plants. Some of my plants again were here all year. The sage, they don't die down. My cucumbers have started to grow. My bell peppers are doing good. My spearmint is growing back. My rose bush. I have all my flowers. My bird bath broke on my bird feeder, so I have to get another one of that. You can see my lemon balm. My bulbs are coming up. My other rose bush. I have my stool back. We had to redo it. My husband rebuilt the stool and I repainted it. And I repainted the rock path that you saw a second ago. More bulbs. And my broccoli is back in the back. And I have my lettuce coming up good and my cucumbers in the back. That's my garden for right now. Thank you for watching. And please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Thank you.